I think we all one day dream about having that bedroom that looks like it's out of a catalog, and when I moved into the home that I'm in right now, I knew I wanted to make that dream a reality. In today's video, I'm gonna go over where I got everything that I have. I'll have everything linked below as well, unless something is out of stock. Disclaimer before I start, the curtains on one side of my wall are not matching. There's a pink velvet and a cream. I'm waiting for the other pink velvet one to come in, and then it's gonna be pink velvet on that wall. So that's just the one thing. Other than that, this is my room. Welcome to it. When it comes to designing a room, it all starts out with one piece and then you build up from there. For me, it was the art that I picked out. Above my bed, I have the Magic Hands print. It's from a Seattle artist named Jennifer Ament. I think it's very pretty and it's simple. And above my dresser is the Rising Moon, I believe that one's called. It's just this really beautiful black with gold foil. Because these prints were kind of an irregular size, I had to get them custom framed, so I just went to Michael's. I love how the frames look. They really made the art come to life. However, custom frames are very expensive. I think these were about $200 per print. My wall sconces are from West Elm, and I picked these ones because they were very functional. You can move the arms and you can move the actual light bulb. My chandelier is from West Elm. It's the sphere and stem 3-light chandelier. I love how it ties my room together. It's a very mid-century modern look. I love that my bed is a platform bed for 3 reasons. 1, it just looks cool. 2, it makes tucking in your sheets super easy. And 3, I can actually sit on it when I put my shoes on, and it's actually pretty nice for that. On my left side of my room, we have my dresser. I love this piece of furniture. It's made of wood that's painted into this glossy black color with brass detailing. I knew when buying it that it not only could double as my bedroom furniture, but one day when I move, it could also work in an entryway or a living room. So I felt like this piece of furniture was more of an investment. I know it's going to really stand the test of time and fit into any future living situation. I also decided to go with the matching nightstand. I love how it had the little area where you can showcase something. I wanted to point out that under my nightstand I have an extension cord, and this is so handy. It makes charging any electronics from your bedside super easy. On top of my nightstand, I always keep a candle. My favorite is the Capri Blue volcano candle. It is burning every waking moment that I'm in my room. Let's talk about plants, because I got a lot of these guys in my room. My favorite plant in my room is the corner one. It's great because when I got my furniture, my nightstands, dresser, bed, everything felt a lot bigger than I realized it would be. My room is smaller than I anticipated, so it's a little bit awkward right now. And I had this really awkward gap in the corner. So when I got this banana leaf plant, it filled that gap so perfectly and made it not look awkward anymore, so that is why it is my favorite plant. I don't know the names of all my plants, disclaimer, but here's an overview of them. I have an air plant, which is so easy. You just kind of leave it there. 2 pothos. I have one on my bar cart, and then I have a much longer hanging pothos. I have this palm type of plant. I don't actually know what it is. A ficus or a fiddle leaf fig, whatever you call it. I like the pot for it too. It's like this natural stone look to it. I had a Calathea ornata, but it is dying on me, sadly. This little guy is a string of bananas, and I also don't know what this one is, but it kind of reminds me of like bamboo or something like that. On the left side of my bed, I have this bar cart, and I realize it is a tad aggressive to have a bar cart in your room. And I wasn't originally going to do that, but it all kind of started with I saw this bar cart at West Elm, and I just thought it was so cute. I thought it would just even be a cute shelving unit, so I ordered it. I was like, I'm not going to use it for bar cart things. It's just going to be like a really cute shelving unit, and I'm going to put plants on it. Well, it turns out I put bar cart things on it. On the the bar cart. Just got some wines. I'm excited to try this one. I really just liked the label of it. Over here is my getting ready vanity type area. It's so cute. I love the light wood on it and then just like the black bars. It's kind of industrial looking. It's perfect for me. I love that it's right next to these windows in my room. On the top section, I have my everyday hair products that I actually use. Then on the bottom section, I do have some miscellaneous products. And then here we have my rugs. I got my rug at Urban Outfitters. It's just like this really thin little throw rug and it works perfectly for this situation. Then behind me, I just have my shoes. I think shoes actually look pretty. I love when people have like shelves of shoes. I think it looks like nice decor. So I wanted to have my shoes out. It's also more functional for me to just be able to grab my shoes and I know where else to put them. So lastly, this bookcase is from World Market and I just have some plants on it, a couple books, and that's basically it. That's my room, guys. Like I said, I'll have everything linked below. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos about beauty, interior design. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Monica Church, and you can check out my vlogs too. Thanks for stopping by my room. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.